selection line. So what we're going to do is to make a tap, and then we're going to press the paint button, then use this ball option to make a small ball that fits in the 4 pixels over here, or pull this out. So the next thing is to name this golf ball. Now the next thing to do is keep it over here. Now when I click forever, point towards mouse pointer. Or a better way to do this is create a variable which variable name, so spot X, spot Z, or I hit Y. So spot X and Y. So what I do is create another ball called the mouse flag. So what I'm gonna do here is it's going to have a one flag clicked forever, and it'll always go to the mouse. So go here like that. Or another option which I usually choose is when forever I have to get a if then get a mouse down and go to mouse pointer, or use another key like space. So when space pressed, the mouse flag will go to its position. So also I'll just remove this. So what I'll do next is whenever space is pressed, of course, what we're going to do is set the variables spot X and spot Y. So I'm gonna set spot X to its current X position when space is pressed. Same with the Y. To make this simple, you can create a my block called flag mouse, where it will flag on the position and check what it's currently at. So I'll do this flag mouse. So I'll do this. Put flag mouse over here. Now every time I press space, it'll go to the mouse's location and flag its current position, so this golf ball can know where it's going. So what we're gonna do next is point towards mouse flag. Boom, 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 boom. So now what we're gonna do is create another ball. What I call it is the drawer. Now we're just going to remove this and this. So the next thing to do is to keep it hidden. So hide, then it's gone out. So what we're gonna let it do is it's going to have a when I receive message, we're gonna call it draw line, where it has to go to golf ball, then it has to glide to X and Y. After that, we're going to press this button and choose the pen extension. So what we're going to do is when it goes to golf ball, it'll keep the pen down, and when it glides to the spot, it will speed down and go. It'll push the pen up. The next thing to do is to set the colors and lines. So I'll set the color to black, and I'll set the pen size to 4. So when I press space, it won't show because I need to use this. So flag mouse, then it will broadcast draw line, then boom, it automatically draws a line to location. The next thing to do is to add a erase all after every broadcast. So like this. You can also speed it up by using 0.1 in the glide, which will make it faster. There, And that's part 1. Making a line. Thanks for watching and have a great time coding!